Just a quick update about the Stable Diffusion Toolbox that may give some errors. So if you're trying to convert your model with the convert diffusers to CKPT, a user contacted me that he is getting some errors while trying to convert the model. And he is using a graphical user interface to train a Dream Boot model. In that case, this is the GUI, Dream Boot GUI, and the structure of this converter, trainer, maybe is a little bit different. So some files are missing after this training. Let me show you the structure of the model, which has to be. So this is the Dream Boot library structure. I have pressed just a model from the Hugging Face. It's like almost each one of them has the same file structure. So this trainer is missing some files according to the user who contacted me. And it's the feature extractor and the safety checker, as you can see. This gives the model conversion error. So in order to fix this, for the second option, you have maybe 2 or 3 options. You can go to any model and download feature extractor and safety checker and put these files in the folder of the model that you want to convert after your training with this GUI. And since the files will no longer be missing, so you can convert it without any errors. Let me show you the problem. So let's start the program. I will use the third option just to replicate the problem. And I will use this model. To convert it to diffusers version, I'm converting the CKPT file to diffusers version. So this shall be your file structure. This is the proper structure. So your safety checker and feature extractor, I will just cut these files and paste it to here. I named this folder as your model with missing files. Okay, so if you have trained your model with this GUI, those files may be missing. So I'm replicating the problem for you. those files are missing. So if we try to convert this model, it will give some error. Okay, let's try the second option, and I will use this folder. Press enter, and let's write something dot ckpt, enter. So it will try to convert the model, but it will just give an error. As you can see, we weren't able to convert this model. So in this case, let's launch the program once again. In this case, you can do the third option, that you know a working model in your folder. So you can convert the working any model to like this one here. So you will get saved checker and feature extractor folders. You just need to copy these files, or you can go to Hugging Face, go to any model, you go to files and versions, you just download the feature extractor and the saved checker from here. You can put these folders into the folder that your model is missing those folders. So it will just work. In this case, my model is missing those folders. I will just cut these files and paste it in here. Now I will try to convert this folder, this model, to CKPT to see if it works or not. I will select the second option. I will use this folder, paste it. Base CKPT is Stable Diffusion 1.4. I will press enter, and I will just write this time it will work.ckpt. Press enter. So here is our file that can be used. We can prune the model, of course. Or press enter. Here is the pruned version. So it works. I just wanted to point out if you get an error like this. Also, some people had some installation problems. In that case, you can use no user in here and just copy and paste no user. So I had some feedbacks from people facing some problems with the installation in some cases. It's rare, but it can happen. That's why you can use this flag and let's save it. Press install. Oh, sorry. Was that one dash? So it shall be like no dash user after the double dash. Sometimes I can't remember the exact flags, that's why I had some trouble. But the format is like that. Dash dash, no dash user. If you get some installation problems, just use this flag on the install.bat file. Also about the file conversion and some missing files. I just wanted to mention I haven't tried this GUI yet, but a guy has contacted me and he had some problems with converting the model. This is for addressing the issue that you may face. That's why I wanted to record a video about it, just to keep you updated. So it's installing again. Of course I have the installation done, but it's still updating some maybe missing files or whatever in case they are missing. So that's it. I will not wait for this to finish, or maybe it can finish here. Yeah, it's done. So if you have installation problems, you just do this, and if you have missing files like the safety checker and feature extractor in your model folder that you want to convert. You can download these files from Hugging Face, or you can just use the third option from a model that you know that is working, and this model has to be based on the Stable Diffusion 1.4 original model, just to be compatible. So this is the fix for those kind of problems. Anyway, I see you next time.